veg quinoa. Now let's look at the ingredients.
We'll need washed quinoa, olive oil, crushed garlic, chopped ginger, black pepper, chopped coriander and mint, salt, I'm using Himalayan pink salt, onions, carrot, capsicum, tomatoes and water.
Now let's start making our quinoa. We'll add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, a few cloves of crushed garlic and a teaspoon of chopped ginger. We'll add 1 small chopped onion and saute this. We'll add 1 chopped capsicum and 1 grated carrot and saute this until it's cooked. We'll add 1 chopped tomato and 1 cup of washed quinoa. And mix this all together. We'll add 2 cups of water We'll add a little bit of salt and about 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper. Now we'll cover it with the lid and cook for 15 minutes. Look at how fluffy the quinoa looks. Now let's plate our quinoa.